This is a video about Canvas notifications and how to customize your preferences. Notification preferences allow users to select how and when they want to be notified when various events occur within a course. You can find your notification preferences by going to Account in the Global Navigation menu and then selecting Notifications. There are default settings which you can change for when you receive them. They only apply to you and not your students. These preferences can only be set for Canvas as a whole, not for different courses, and there are different settings for different contact methods. Notifications are sent as one of 4 delivery types: Notify Me Right Away, Daily Summary, Weekly Summary, or Don't Send. If you change a setting, the change is made immediately to your account. To receive a notification right away, click the checkmark icon. To receive a daily notification, click the clock icon. To receive a weekly notification, click the calendar icon. The date and time of your weekly notifications are posted at the bottom of the notifications page. If you do not want to receive a notification, click the remove icon. You can also hover over items in the menu to see what notifications would entail. For instance, in announcements created by you, not only will it notify you about your announcement, but it will also notify you of any replies to that announcement that you've created.